it's the time to draw the plates that will hold the supporting pipe here. To do so, let's select the right, and then select 3-point corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle somewhere here. Make sure not to have any vertical or horizontal lines. Then select this line, hold Ctrl and this one, then make perpendicular. After that, pick a smart dimension, select this point and this edge, and we want this to be 50 millimeters. And this height should be 100 millimeters. Then drag this point and snap to the line to this one here. Then pick a point and snap to the midpoint of this line. Then select this point with this line and set them to be coincident. Now this rectangle is fully defined. We need to do the same thing on the other side. Once done, we need to define the hole's location. So select a center line and draw a 4-segment center line here. Now set these all to be equal and draw another one here. And make sure to have it perpendicular to this line, and then select these two lines and make them equal. Then select a circle and draw a circle here and another one here. We need to do the same thing again on this side. Now select all of them and select any of these and set them to be equal. And place 2 circles. Set all the circles to be equal. And then set this diameter to 18. Now we need to create almost the same thing here. Then select 3-point corner rectangle once again and draw another rectangle here. Then pick a point, set it in the middle, make them coincident, and then make these perpendicular. Then select this length with this one and set them to be equal. And drag this point here. Then pick another point and snap to the intersection point between this edge and this line. As you can see, this point is fully defined. Now set a distance between these 2 points and let it be 50 millimeters. Then pick a line, snap to this line and to this one. Select this line and this edge, and we want these to be perpendicular, and then I need to set a distance between this point and this one. And this should be 150. Once done, select Trim Entities and trim these segments. Now once again, select Center Line and draw these 5 lines. This line should be a construction geometry. Then select all of them and select any of these and set them to be equal. The same way, place 2 circles one here, and the other one here, and set them to be equal to this one. Now we need to do the same thing but on the other side. Now finish the sketch and make sure to select it from here, then select extrude. And here for the selected contours, select this one and this one and this one. Set the thickness to 10 mm, then make sure not to select merge result. Then the direction is this way, which is correct. Then hit OK. Now we need to cut the parts we have inside. To do so, select this face, start a sketch, then convert entities and select the outer diameter. Then finish the sketch and select extruded cut, then through all. Now we will have a problem because this pipe will be removed, and then part of this pipe will be removed. So we go to feature scope, remove the auto select, and now we need to tell SolidWorks which body is to be trimmed. So I only want to extrude cut this one and this one. Then hit OK. And now if you have a look here, we didn't cut anything but this body and this one. We need to do the same here. So select this face, start a sketch, convert the outer diameter, finish the sketch, then extruded cut, and here select through all, and for the feature scope, remove the auto select, and we only want to cut this body and this one. Then hit OK, and let's have a look. Now it's correct.